Did you know India has its own Arduino style or ESP32 style microcontroller board? Let me tell you how it gets started. So first of all, it started way back in 2018, where IIT Madras has developed processor called SHAKTI, and IIT Bombay in 2018 developed a processor called AJIT. So SHAKTI is used in strategic space and defense application, where AJIT is more focused on industrial and robotics application. So after that, we all have heard about a microprocessor called VIKRAM, which is developed for space tech basically, and some critical mission operations. And it can withstand the extreme condition of space. And after that, we have a THEJAS lineup, which consists of THEJAS32, and right now we also have THEJAS64. And after that, in this current scenario, recently we have heard about DHRUV64 processor, which is our current version and which is here right now. And right now, the C-DAC team, which is a government of India, is working on Dhanush 64 and Dhanush 64 Plus, which is the more advanced version of this thing. So this is a little bit of history about it. Now, let me show you the Arduino or ESP32 replacement with some Indian boards. So let's get started. So for this, if you search about Vega processor onto the Google, you will get to this company, and this company is the heart of India's indigenous semiconductor mission. Okay, so you will get to see some information here, and in the bottom you will get all the development board lineups. So these are the development boards, these are the SoC. So all these development boards is based on this THEJAS32 SoC, and this THEJAS32 SoC is based on this Vega ET1031. So this is the microprocessor, and by combining some like memory or RAM and some peripherals, it's converted into the SoC or microcontroller, like system on chip. And by putting the system on chip with some input output and with some sensors and some like ports, it's converted into the development board, which is this Aries version 3 or Aries IoT version 2, and all these ports are. So first of all, let's start the exploration with this microprocessor, and there is also some other processor also which is a little bit more advanced. So for this video, we will keep it for this one. So first of all, let me show you the specification of this Vega ET1031. So here you will get to know that it is based on RISC-V, and it is a 3-stage in-order pipeline implementation, and it is based on Harvard architecture. These are the very crucial information. So RISC-V means it is open source, and like this 3 stage is very interesting term, because like this like your Raspberry Pi Pico 2053 is based on 3-stage RISC-V Hazard 3 processor. Okay, if you know, it is good. Otherwise, I will explain this 3-stage or 5-stage in later section, in later videos. Now it has some some other features also which you can get through, and these are the application of this processor. And now let's go to the Vega series, and here if you look, there are some series are there. Okay, there are 6 series in this lineup, which is a 64-bit quad-core processor with 16-stage pipeline. and there is 64-bit dual core processor also. There is 64-bit single core processor also. And there are some differences between these stages. So this stage is the beauty of this RISC-V processor, where everything is divided in terms of stage, and you can customize these stages based on your use case. So as you can see here, it is based on 32-bit single core, and it is 3-stage in order execution pipeline. Now let's go to the SoC. So basically this Vega ET1031 with some extra RAM and memory and peripherals, it's converted into this THEJAS62 SoC, system on chip, and this system on chip will bring us our own Arduino or ESP32 like development boards, which comes under this Aries series. So you will get a variety of Aries series dev board. So right now this Aries version 3 is, you can consider it as a Arduino Uno replacement, because it do not have any kind of a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. And this Aries IoT V2.0 is, you can consider it as a ESP32 replacement, because it has a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability. So let me open this page and let me go a little bit deeper into it. So the microprocessor feature is same for both of these things, but let me give you some basic overview. Like you can see, it has 256 KB of SRAM, 2 MB of flash memories, and there are a couple of ports for SPI, UART, and I2C, which is good. And there are 32 GPIOs. Okay, and there are some also analog input pins and PWM pins also, which is good enough. And the most important thing is here you will see a setup for get started with this board, and it is Arduino compatible. So it is very easy to get started with this board. You just need to add a board package manager into your Arduino environment. Okay, and there are some steps here. And if you go to this Aries IoT version 2, you will see that it has a nice little chipset from u-blox. It is also mentioned here. Yeah, you can see here the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity is provided using module from u-blox, and the module model number is Nina W10, and it supports 2.4 GHz range. And there is also mentioned that it has some 6-axis gyroscope, some temperature sensor and gas sensor, and some other stuffs also, which makes this board very good, which is quite similar to Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense. And yeah, so this is it, and this is also Arduino compatible, you can see here. So yeah, because this is using the exact same microprocessor, which is like Vega ET1031 with the THEJAS32 SoC. So yeah, this is it. Now let's talk about from where you can get it. So you can get it, let me write it, Aries development board. You can get it from robo.in, and if you write Aries IoT development board, you can get the link for this too. So the price of this Aries version 3 is 1200 approximately, which is nice compared to Arduino Uno R4, because if you try to get Arduino Uno R4, the price is quite similar, like 1200 also. But there are also, this is also this has also a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability also. So yeah, the price is a little bit on higher side, but yeah, this is not too much, you can say. And if you talk about this Aries IoT version 2 development board, this price is a little bit higher side. I don't know why, maybe because of it is not into mass production right now, and also India is now going to start their fab process, like fab in Gujarat and in Assam. So maybe when this goes into mass production, then it will be get a little bit lower side. And also it is using this U-block chip, so the prices also get added for this module also. So yeah, you can get it from here. So this is it for this video. So stay tuned and be curious. We will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.